Wow. Look at all these cranes. So when it comes to fishing, that's not the only thing you can do. Another thing you can do is actually mimic the bird's call. And that's a really good tool. And as long as you practice it, here's one that I'm working on right now. There. Red-shouldered hawk.
What does everybody say about the bird? Bird, bird, bird. Bebop, so
Well, there's all kinds of great reasons to be a birder. You get out, you see some beautiful places. It's very peaceful. It's pretty inexpensive too. Birding doesn't really cost a lot. And you know what? When you're out there, it's fun. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm up pretty early on my way to check out this sighting, to actually disprove a sighting. I don't even believe that it was reported correctly, but someone reported a rufous winged sparrow here right outside of Phoenix, and I know it's not there, so I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it isn't. Alright, so we're out here at the location where the false report was made for the rufous winged sparrow. This isn't even the habitat that it would be in, so that's how I already know that it's not going to be here. But I'm just gonna keep my scope focused on the exact spot where they said they saw it, and just wait now. Just a waiting game. Not a lot of bird activity. I mean, I hear some, but nothing special.